ba or kayo din? Like magugulat na lang kayo sa mga tanong na mayroon dito sa game cards na to. By the way guys, this is the cards of Miss Tony Gonzaga. Ito yung cards na ginagamit niya sa show niya na Tony Talks. Maganda tong gamitin sa mga team building, fellowship, leadership training, family, sa mga friends, or even sa personal use. No? Dahil using these cards, it's like mix of emotions yung mararamdaman mo dito. And yung mga question is talagang mapapaisip ka, mapapareflect ka. No? Kagaya na lamang ng tanong na to. When was the last time you said, I'm okay, but you weren't? Bigla kang mapapaisip, bigla kang makakapag-reflect sa sarili mo about sa tanong na to. Na parang isang nakakabinging katahimikan ang bumalot sa aking isipan. Isang tanong na kailangan ng kasagutan, isang sagot na ako lang ang nakakaalam. Iba-iba tayo mag-heal. Sometimes, kaya nating sarilinin yung mga problema, pero mas maganda kung nasi-share natin siya sa ibang tao. And this is the purpose of the cards. For you to speak and for you to listen. Kasi sharing your experience will not only heal you, but also heal others. No? Because listening to someone's story, we often find peace of our own. What are you waiting for? Click that yellow basket. Use that yellow basket for you to shop and to get the same item as mine. Bye!